Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. So we're up here at Overland Expo West, and we're here in Findlay Toyota's booth. We're here with the new 6th Gen 4Runner. We're going to go over some of the stuff that's been done to this truck just to give you a better understanding on some of the things that are done to it. We've partnered up with C-Bond. This is their carbon fiber hood. And you can see it's pretty much molded exactly. They fit really, really nice. It's got a set of Method 703s in it. It's a 17 by 8.5 with a plus 35 offset. We run this wheel because it works the best. It makes the least amount of work to get these wheels on the vehicle. We do remove the safety mount back here. We push the liner a little bit farther forward in the front. Just makes enough room for it. We've got a set of our Westcott Designs rock sliders on here. You can see we talk about how they're tailored to match the radiuses and the curves on both the front and the rear. And these are a set of 20 degree. These are a set of DOM. These are MIG welded, not TIG welded, but these are a set of MIG welded ones that we did on it with no top plates. These are direct bolt onto the frame. This has our Westcott lift in the front and our Westcott lift in the back. This is a 3-inch lift in the front with a 1-inch lift in the rear. This is our new basket rack that we've just released. It's a modular basket rack. We call it a 3/4 rack. The nice thing about it is the bars can be put up at the top, make it flat, or you can drop the bars down, put the floor inserts in it, and it makes a really nice basket. There again, we've got our signature bottle opener here in the back on it. We've done a platform in the back here to clear the antenna, and we've done this platform in the back just to allow for like max tracks or some stuff to get mounted up top on here. And then you've got our Westcott Designs ladder up the backside here. And you can just see, we talk about how strong our stuff is. You can see when I move the ladder here, how sturdy it is, and it actually moves the car. So, and the nice thing about this ladder, it ties in very tightly behind our spare tire carrier. And it's got nice 2-inch by 1-inch steps, and then it's got handles up the side, and it adds accents to it as well with the windowing. And then we've got our logo up here in the top, and then we've got some additional handles here, and there's a plate up at the top, and this helps to step up onto the roof for additional footing. Our modular hitch rack on this slides in, utilizes the factory tow hitch on this. Then we're also doing here, we can still tow with this up to 10,000 pounds. These arms interlock into here. You can do another arm on this side, put 2 bolts in. It's designed to work however you want to make it work. So you can configure this tire in the middle, tire off the side, 2 tires on the back. You can do gas cans on one side, tire on the other side. And the nice thing is it's got the lock built into the backside here. Closes up like this, locking lever there, and another secondary lock right here to lock it in. And then you've got a license plate mount here as well. All right guys, hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. But there again, we wanted to share that. That's our new, brand new 3/4 rack that we released here with Findlay Toyota.